Whoa, this one's a little bit bigger. Wow, this is one of the prettiest fish I've ever seen. All right, well, I've gotten warmed up with a few long-ear sunfish, just absolutely vibrant, beautiful fish, and even a rock bass. I think that might have been my first ever rock bass, and it was under that dam down there. But now it's time to switch gears and target what I'm truly after, that's smallmouth bass. I'm going ultralight today, and I started out with this fire tiger rooster tail, but that was really only catching the sunfish. I know there's some bass in here. I think they're largemouth actually. I could see a very distinct black lateral line. So I'm going to swap over to this proven bass catcher, just a small spinnerbait with a green swim bait on the end. It's really beat up because I've caught a lot of fish on this summer. This is kind of pushing the limit on my ultralight ugly stick GX2 with just a little Fluger President. I do have a few more bigger lures, kind of like this. I'm just a little hesitant to use them with how light this rod is. I've got 6-pound fluorocarbon line, which is also pretty finesse. So I feel like we've gotten quite a bit of rain recently, so the water's not super high, but it is a little bit murky. That's why I'm starting out with some louder presentation baits. I've never been to this spot before, so I don't know if this is high or low water conditions, and I'd really like to make it down there, but the water is a little higher than I'm comfortable wading in right now. All right, this is not at all the right rod and reel, line, really anything about this setup good for this bait, but I want to try it anyway. Bit of a sun shower. I think I'm gonna go find a different spot though. All right, that spot was really cool, and I think it has a lot of potential, but there were a lot of people swimming there, and I mean, we're in the dog days of summer. I've got to expect that wherever I go. It was just a little bit much for my taste. So there's a bunch of spots in this area. I mean, dozens and dozens of great spots. So I'm just gonna hop around to a bunch of different ones to see if there's any just golden honey holes that I could pop into. This water is so much clearer. It's quite a bit smaller too, but it's so beautiful. Crystal clear. Not flowing too fast. think there's a bass up there. Just looking at it. Okay, there's at least 2 really good bass in here in this little hole. I swapped over to a wigglewort because I saw them looking at the jig, but they just weren't that interested. So I have no shortage of baits yet, just seeing what they might want. Oh, yes, got one, got one. Yes, there we go. Yes, this is a really good bass. Whoa, come here, come here. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Beautiful largemouth bass. This is probably a little over a pound. Really good size for this water. He really hit that lure really slow, that crankbait. Just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful size. I'm kind of shocked. Wow, that was awesome. Let's get him back. He just went right back over there in front of the root of this tree. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Well, I don't know if they're all gonna want a crankbait, but that one did. All right, this is more of a super realistic craw type thing because they didn't seem to like the black and blue jig. And then I swapped over to the red crankbait and it hit that and they were interested in it. But then nothing else since. So red realistic craw jig. Let's see what happens. There's one more bass in here that I want to try to catch. I've been watching it over here. And then I'm gonna go try a new spot. Oh wow, this is really cool. It's another little confluence, 2 little creeks. All right, I'm swapping over to this little guy. It's pretty heavy, so it sinks rather than the other crankbait that floated. Man, it's nice to just stand in the creek. It's so refreshing. Oh my gosh, I just got a stick caught in my shoe and it made me fall over. Well, that's it for today's video. I just really wanted to get out of the house and try to catch some fish. I wanted to really check out some new spots, and I think I found some great ones. I'll definitely be back soon. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe if you want to see more like this, and share it with someone else who might enjoy it. Thanks for watching.